Hello, Leo. It's Lulu, and today I'm going to do your spiritual conversation. Thank you. Oops. All right, all right, all right. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your likes, shares, subscribes, and comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, let's see what's going on. Any information that you need is in the description box. Thank you. What else? What else? What else? Oh, y'all feeling like Leos. Okay. Y'all must be in y'all element right now, son. Okay. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you. Thank you. Can't get this hair together. We do have a little Java Monday through Friday on Instagram and Facebook. All right. And if there is any distortion in this video, it is not my camera. Okay. Thank you. Now then, what information do you have for my beautiful Leos? Let's get into it, honey. Surrender your belief in scarcity. Surrender to passion. Surrender addictions. Surrender to your full power. Surrender to play. Okay. And surrender to receiving love and support. Three crown chakra cards. And then you have solar plexus. 3 solar plexus cards. So what I'm seeing here really, really quick is that anything that you may be obsessively thinking about, obsessively doing, and you may be overdoing something when it comes to surrender your addictions. It may be that you are giving too much time, effort, and attention to something and need to get out and have fun. Basically, get out and have fun so that you can get in your full power. Because what I'm saying here is that you may have been in your head a lot about something when it comes to your beliefs. And it doesn't necessarily have to be that scarcity energy. It's just that whatever you feed, you breed. So if you are feeling a certain type of way and you're not seeing any results or any changes, there may be something that is coming through once you get out and have fun and get your solar plexus back popping away, like in a very healthy way, instead of having this solar plexus blocked with this some obsessive thinking, doing, or what have you. Here, maybe you're finding a healthier alternative to what it is that you already do as well. But let's start clarifying with this scarcity. It's like there may be some type of blocks here when it comes to certain beliefs, and it's time for you to look at things from a different perspective, because it's like you got your back up against the wall when it comes to how you view things, and they're pushing you. May have been pushed into a corner so that you can see things differently as well, because scarcity can be that there's a lack mindset when it comes to being good enough, feeling like you can accomplish something. It could be with money, but overall it's just something that you feel like you don't have enough of, you can't do enough to make something right, or just there's not enough love, effort, or attention. Whatever it is, there's a different view. But you have to get into some new activities, they're saying, because there's a lot of people that want to support you. There's a lot of love around you, but it's on you to embody that in order for you to have that also become a part of your reality. What is this? Surrender your belief in scarcity. The devil, lower vibrational energy. Let go of things that, like, some of you may feel like it's always been this way. That's interesting. Okay, so see here, his back is against the wall. That's how I saw it. And then you have here where someone is sitting in the lap of, okay? And with that energy, what I'm seeing here is that you may have viewed things a certain type of way, because the devil has a torch in his hand. So you may have viewed things a certain type of way, and it may be tied to a mother or a childhood energy here, and the way that you used to see things when you were so happy and full of glee, and knowing that all things happen for a reason, and you can continue to stand in your power, stand in your truth, and just be in a space of open to receiving, instead of being in a space of blocking reception by the way that the things that you think, the things that you do, the things that you continue to indulge in, that need a change. Okay, what is this devil card? The Fool. You ready? This is a new adventure, a new way of doing things, and that's a lot of solar plexus energy as well. The solar plexus energy is embodying or all encompassing, or what should I say, the root chakra, something rooted. See that sun up there is red and sitting all at yellow. Okay, well, that look, if you saw that little distortion, that's from me doing stuff. Okay, putting stuff way up there in the camera. But other than that, okay, whatever. Now then, there's something here that you are realizing when it comes to what was deeply rooted or implanted in you that is being cleared out with that solar plexus energy. You have taken on a new leash in life, maybe even feeling that there was no reason for you to be pulled back by who people or situations that you were loyal to, or this may even be that you're taking some type of leap of faith when it comes to removing yourself from situations that had you in a space where you were really cycling, constantly cycling, right? Going in circles and stuff, because that dog is pulling him, trying to stop him from moving forward. And I feel as though you're saying, no, it's time to go. Because dogs usually represent loyalty, faithfulness, and things like that. What is the surrender to passion? The moon card. Something is being revealed to you that you may not have given any thought to in the past, and you're going to have a decision to make. And this is about your willpower, your determination, your ability to assert yourself, your ability to ground yourself and be grounded with your passion. This is a new creative project, possibly a new way of viewing things. Eight of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. There are people that want to work with you. Some of you are waiting to hear back from a job, waiting to hear back from someone about a contract, waiting to hear about something that will remove the blindfold. The blindfold is it's really denial, because you have the answers, but if you forget to connect on a regular basis, you can feel as though you're not seeing things clearly, you're making the wrong decisions, or you don't move because you're afraid that you will make the right decision. That Eight of Swords is also an energy that is very representative of that cycle. That's cycling, thinking of something to do and doing all these things in a way that have to do with conditioning. The Six of Wands and the Ace of Swords. You are welcoming new information. You're welcoming this clarity because you want to progress. You want to move forward. You're ready for something to end. You know that it's about to. Ten of Swords and the Judgment card. And I really feel as though there's something here that you're going to pay attention to even more so, because someone may be resilient around you, wanting to tear you down, wanting to put you in a space, or someone may be communicating some heartless type information to you. But overall, I feel like you will defend yourself. You may have to defend yourself in the court of law, but this has the Hierophant and the Princess of Swords. So the Princess of Swords is coming towards this person to tell them something. Now, there is a love offer that may be coming through as well. That's that support and love that's coming through. You may get into a space where you feel overwhelmed, or you're overthinking things when it comes to how do I fit this person or this situation in? How do I fit this new level of being in? How do I fit in the new whatever I'm to do in? And that comes with that decision that needs to be made. It needs to be sharp, clear-cut decision, because I'm seeing here that maybe this Queen of Swords and this King of Swords energy is two people who stand on whatever their truth is. Okay, these are people well versed when it comes to knowledge, research, writing, teaching, whatever that is, right? That's what I'm picking up from them. And you may have to go back and forth with that may be your mother and father. You may have to go back and forth with someone here, and you're going to finally get some type of resolve. And the reason that you got that resolve will be revealed to you because of this part of your journey, because it's time for you to let something go. You finally confronted your fears, finally in a space where that's that surrender to full power. What information do you have for these beautiful people, honey? Okay. What do you have for these beautiful people? The Four of Swords. Take time out to really think about your options. Take time out to really do the necessary healing. Some of you may need to just do some cuddling, because you may not have done any cuddling in a while, because you've been trying to balance things out in your life, trying to get some type of understanding. There may be a King of Swords who owes you something. Someone may owe you something that you may be in a relationship with, or somebody owes you something, and you're getting communication about this. Because it's like you've been waiting all this time, and you needed that answer a long time ago, or you needed that information a long time ago. And with any type of heartbreak, it's important that you make some clear boundaries. Set clear boundaries. What is this? The Chariot. Some of you are taking a road trip, or there's something that's coming together for you that's going to lead you in the right direction. There's many things there. Some of you may have a beautiful text that you receive, or a beautiful email, or something, some type of communication early in the morning from someone that you had a dream about, and it's going to be very informative. It's going to have you look at your gifts different, as well as trusting your gifts more. Yeah, this may be someone may owe you something in child support, or someone owes you something from since you were born. The Princess of Pentacles keeps coming out. Getting outside and having fun outside is going to be important. Get you a jump rope or something. What do you have for these beautiful people, honey? The Seven of Cups in the morning. So you may even wake up a little dizzy. You may want to wait a minute before you really get out of bed, or having to process certain types of dreams or astral traveling that is happening. It's going to take for you to just wait a minute. Okay? Just a second. Okay? What information do you have for these beautiful people, honey? The Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. Everything that you are seeking is seeking you. There may be a party that you are invited to, or some type of get together that you are invited to, that they want to work with you, or they want to be a part of what it is that you are working on. And this may be family, friends, a lover, or what have you. That's another message coming through about this new beginning that you have. Someone wants to connect with you, and they may even take you on some type of late night date. But overall, I see that even though you are moving forward, someone else who you were in a relationship with is coming in full force to try and communicate with you. They're going to tell you that they feel a strong connection with you. Here, they're going to be very direct with how they come towards you, but you may, before making a decision, want to take time out and make sure that they want you for you and not what they think that you have to offer outside of you being you. What information do you have for these beautiful people? Some of you may have a work romance here. There may be somebody that you work with, that you are in a relationship with, and they may want to move in with you. They may want to, this may be cohabitation here, but after a divorce or after something is final, you may take some time out before making a decision here with this Hanged Man. Because what I'm seeing here is that maybe you're going out one night, what have you. You're going to go ahead and surrender to this play one night. Maybe you're going to a play, but you may be surrendering, and there's judgment here. Something is coming to the forefront of your awareness. It has to be released. It's time for you to make a huge choice about a relationship. Stop playing with yourself. Stop playing with other people. Do your thing. Because there's some type of transition. The Queen of Pentacles and the Death card is here. So there's some type of transition, change of jobs, a rebirth, some type of truth being revealed about an earth sign child, or some type of, yeah, that's a child. Because the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Cups is here. There may be a picture, some paperwork. A woman gave a child something to give to a man that walked away because he had too much on his plate. He always was exhausted. Had a strong connection to lower vibrational energies. I always wanted to argue. And there's some type of message of concern because of a tower moment. Ooh. We're going to get up out of that, Chad, because what? All right. Many of you are working on reaching your goals, reaching a plateau. I mean, reaching beyond where you have been. And they want you to be very direct and continue to move forward. A lot of information will be coming into you. It's important that you take time out to fill your cup when need be. Protect yourself. Also set necessary boundaries, because once you get past the Six of Wands, you must understand that people will be vying for your position. There may be some type of magic involved with someone that trying to vie for your position. But I feel as though there are some type of results that are going to be revealed to you. This is going to be over the world stage, because with this Sun card, this is a lot of beautiful energy. The Sun card, Temperance, and the Page of Cups. You're being vindicated in some type of situation here. The Star card. You're being vindicated. Something's being healed or set right. And it's being exalted in a way that like somebody may have wanted to be famous, and they're gonna be famous the right way. The Chariot and the Justice card, they're gonna be famous the right way because they were going about it the wrong way. And whatever it is that you are working on, they want you to continue to do so, continue to move forward, continue to connect with people who match your frequency, continue to connect with people who match your discipline, continue to connect with people in a healthier way than whatever that was in the past, is my advice. Now then, if you made it this far, just drop a love, a heart down below, because it's important that you fill your cup so that you can continuously be in a space of balanced harmony. It's so important. Make sure that you sing, dance, laugh, have a good time.